Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics right. Pair the Apple Pencil to your iPad and turn on Scribble in settings so handwriting becomes text. Once paired, open Safari and make sure Bluetooth remains active, otherwise input and gestures lag. Make sure the pencil tip is snug because a loose tip causes skips. Now dive into a web page. You can scroll, tap links, and begin writing into any field. This immediate control gets you into the flow without extra setup. Once done with pairing, use the Apple Pencil to navigate. Drag to scroll and tap links precisely where your finger might miss. You can handwrite into form fields. Scribble turns your handwriting into typed text. Write naturally and pause briefly to let it convert. For selecting text, draw a quick lasso or tap and hold then drag to highlight. This is faster for precise snippets. Make sure to use light, deliberate strokes so the system recognizes intent rather than accidental touches. Finish by annotating content. Capture a screenshot or choose share, then mark up to draw, highlight, or add notes directly onto the web page or PDF. Save the result to files or send it by mail. This lets you archive edits or collaborate. If you encounter lag or misstrokes, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, check the tip, and reboot the iPad if needed. These quick fixes resolve most input issues and get you back to smooth, precise annotation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.